Hello, traders. John at StockBookie.com. Today is 5/23/2019, and this is our live streaming session. So if you're new to the stream, a couple people are in here. Just punch up a symbol like this. Apple. Tell me if you want to buy or short or position, what have you. So punch it in. $ Apple. Hey, what's up, Ashton? How's it going, bud? What a day today, huh? Yesterday, all that crap. You just knew it. And what's telling me, guys, USO. USO keeps going lower, guys. It's going to drag the whole markets down, period. Just like here, we went up for 2 years. Then we went down. Remember that quick sell-off in December. Went up right into the 618. We talked about it. Look at my last video, guys, on the USO. I'm on a different stream on this one. I cannot get live streams on my StockBookie YouTube for some reason. I have no idea. Yes, Roku short it. We've been slowly adding shorts to that one. A little bit upside down, but this will be like the 4th time we traded it. My short on Roku is at 82.73. Small position. I'm not at 10% yet, so still riding the wave. Eventually that turd will come down, and it's going to come down hard, just like the rest of the turds. That's just the way it is. But yeah, this is it's another high flyer. Is it green today? Yeah, it's Roku. Hurry. It's really getting cheap. I mean, we still can go up a little higher. But we got a little bit of room left just in case. If you get your average price around that, gosh, anywhere above $80, I would say. Right now, price target's around 61. If this thing pulls back, we get the quick 5, 6, $10. We're out, guys. Markets confirming downtrend right now, so be very, very careful. Yeah, shop as well. Same thing. Same crap going up. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I had problems with my StockBookie live stream, so I'm on another channel, just my John C channel, and I got no subscribers on this. So let's see if we get some people in here today. Sucks. What a great day too. Can't even produce a live stream on YouTube. I don't. It was redirecting me to some other crap. But hey, I go on my other channel with my big 10 subscribers. This one I was doing private ones for a little while on this channel. And now I go to GoToMeeting and I do them there. So, but yeah, it sucks. 5 people, unbelievable. But anyways, let's go back to Roku. Yeah, short this. I mean, it still could go up to 100. It's unbelievable, guys. It's like Tesla today. It was a beautiful letter, right? So watch this one, guys. I'm trying to see if on YouTube. Yeah, it stinks. I got nothing because when I punch up on YouTube, you see that I'm going live. This one, I just have a couple. I'm just jumping to this one. I might try it in a little bit, my other channel, but gosh darn it, sucks. All right, guys, but SPY right now in a confirming downtrend. It's just a weak turd. Even on no volume, it just can't get anything going. Just one of those days, guys, where we just keep bleeding and bleeding and bleeding. We were in those puts. The big guy, the big boy buys are blocking you, John. No, I don't know what's going on. I go to launch YouTube, guys, on my StockBookie channel and said not redirecting me. I switched to my John C account. No problem. Clear as a bell. So I might as well go. I might as well just cancel this, guys, and I'll just go to GoToMeeting and go private at this point. It just doesn't matter. But what's up, Thomas? What's up, D? Yeah. Who knows? It was just the most bizarre things. Clear my cookies, reset my computer, this and that. Still nothing. It's like, all right. I guarantee after the market close, I'll go to do it, and it will work wonders. But we'll see. 8 people watching. That's the power of YouTube, though, guys. I have 2,600 people, I think, which isn't a lot. But usually we were getting up to 40, 50 people in here on this channel. Hard to say. But guys, for my members, I think a couple guys are in here. Yeah, I mean, we're at the lows. Look at the IWM just bleeding, guys. Tesla is not going to Tesla. The puts we bought, I might hold on to them. Let's see. I mean, we got in at 56. We got half out at 80 or some out, whatever you guys sold. Something. At 80, you should have sold something. Those puts, though, man, what do we buy? 146. They're hitting $6 right now, guys. What's up, Perry? Yeah, I'm on this channel. I couldn't go live today on my stock bookie channel for some stupid reason. I might try it again. We'll see. Unbelievable though. Won't let me do it. Hold on here. Let's quit out of that. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. So let's just keep going here. Let's see if we get some more people going. All right, guys. So it's right at the 281 area, trying to hold. Tesla's coming in a little bit. What a move on Tesla, but shop even too, guys. Shop short it. I don't care if it pulled in a little bit here, guys. Unbelievable though. Look at that run, guys. Right now, weekly 204 is the target, and the monthly it's even 153. God, it never. This is going to be one of those. This next thing you know, it's going to be $120 stock, and everyone's going to be like, what just happened here? Kind of like CMG. God, I've been wanting to short this thing again. I'm in shares, guys, just getting creamed on this one. But my gosh, look at this run. 427 to 727. Oh, and then they're giving it upgrades. And I think today, finally, someone gave it a downgrade. It's just like, wow, what is going on here? All right, guys, if you are in those Tesla puts, you should have sold some. Have a couple just in case this thing runs. I mean, it's due for a bounce. It's going to end a good support. They're coming back to almost break even, though, guys. Everyone should have sold. I mean, these things were even at 90 cents, guys. So everyone should have some profits in this one if you're a member at StockBookie. God, look at the markets, though. Can't even catch a bid. Massive downtrend on the day, 429 down. The only thing that's killing me is the 51 million shares, guys. We could still bounce up. Gosh, oh, yeah, they're just bleeding this thing. The USO, though, going down, guys, that's not helping matters at all. They need the markets to rally. Get the USO going. You know, I did a video on that one the other day. It was the least watched video. And honestly, guys, it's the most important one. We went to the 618. I was waiting a little higher. We go right back to the lows, guys. Markets are going to go lower. And that's when all these high flyers, guys, are going to just, it's going to be a beautiful letter. like Trump with the president from China. It was a beautiful letter today. Elon 420. It was a beautiful letter. All of a sudden, now the blue guys, he's hitting production numbers. He's got that. He's building cars in his garage. One at a day. One day. One at one time, or one car a day. Helping boost production. All right, it's coming down though. If you're in those Tesla calls, you could have a break even and just get out. Excuse me. Wow, what a day though, guys. God, those puts were flying today. Man, IWM at lows. God, what a turd of a market. As long as the USO is down 5%, guys, markets aren't going anywhere. The Tesla maybe still. I might hold on to those. I should have pulled off a couple more at 90. That would have been then I would have been sailing, guys. You hold one or two at $100, $200 position. See if you can let it go. I don't know if we're gonna get it. Perry, what's up, buddy? All right, let me post one more thing on StockTwits. Damn it, I wanted to go live in my regular YouTube. They wouldn't even let me. YouTube. It's being redirected. Clear your cookies. Okay, I cleared my cookies. You're being redirected. Clear it again. I'm clearing them again. Just wouldn't give it to me. And then I come on to my John C one. Boom. Works fine. It's like, all right, what's going on here, guys? All right, so let's try to get a handle on here. If you're in those options, you know what? I'm going to have to post something on Twitter. Yeah, so it did go on there. Let's see here. What did I write? He said 90 should be out of most. Let's see if we can get these to run. Yeah. So if you're in the Teslas, make sure you're out of something. Take some profits, guys. At least enough to hold on to a couple. And if those go to zero, at least you get a break even, or you get a little bit of a profit. mean, Tesla's ready. They're pumping out news. He's pumping out letters. It was a beautiful letter. Yeah, you know what, Thomas? I tried to go to what is it? The E, the one with the E. I don't even know what the hell it is anymore. E, what is that one? But yeah, no, it wouldn't even work. But my other one worked fine. Puts are shorting more shares more? No, not right now, JK. Nope. We got our puts, guys, 146. They're at $6 now. No, I mean, you can, but if they start, grinding this thing, we still have light volume, guys. Try using I tried using a different browser. I shut everything down, rebooted everything, cleared cookies, still wouldn't work. But then I go into this one, this on live stream one that I used to go private with you guys, with the members. Now we're doing GoToMeeting. This one works fine. So I don't know. Sucks, but what are you going to do? Well, I want to make my dollar, because that's what I make on YouTube, $1 if I do a live stream for 3 hours. I make about $1.50. But I like to keep everything on there, though. Well, I mean, in general, like for shorting. Oh, yeah, Roku, yeah. Short shares. Shares on Roku, short shares in Shop, short shares in HSY. Sure, any high flyer, guys, just start picking on them. They're all going to slowly just melt. They will. And we get more days like this on the SPY, they're all coming in. That's it. Goodbye. Lights out. Yeah, technology, man. Yeah, I know how to trade most of the time. So sometimes it feels like I don't know what I'm doing. But other times it's just like, yeah, I'm clicking on go. Come on, go to me. Go to frickin' now. I was just going to do it private. But, trying to go live, trying to get more people on board. If you're new to the room, new to stockbookie.com, we just killed it today with puts. And then we had Tesla calls. We have June calls. They're right there. They're right there. Today they're actually in the money, so you could have pulled something off. And then we did SPY calls at 56 cents today. We got out at 80. They went to 90. I actually bought calls, guys, on SPY. Or on Tesla this morning. Unfortunately, I didn't post it for you guys. And sold most, came back down, got me on the second half. Still in it, still in the money a little tiny bit, but my gosh, I bought the options at 85 cents. They went to, I think, 260. I was out before that, but it was like, wow, I held a couple and then it came right back in. It was like, but I'm holding those couple. What the hell? I'm in some other ones, 56 cents. I sold most of them at 80. So I'm in two positions now. Small, just gotta get interested, guys. I'm in even June's too as well, just in case. But man, I made some good money on those. The first one that I took today, and the second one we made good money. Now we just, come on, Tesla. Write another beautiful letter, Elon 420. No, man. Crazy stuff, though, today. Crazy stuff. But great day for us, covering shorts, adding some shorts. Stocks are coming in, exactly what we were seeing. USO was talking to us the other day. Nobody watched that video, too. One of the most important videos, guys, USO. At least in my opinion. We got QCOM coming in again. We got, AAOI just can't catch a bid if it's life dependent on it. Stamp neither. Two beaten down plays. They just can't get out of its own way. Splunk coming in. Shop coming in. SPY coming in. They're all coming in. Oh, man. All right. So these Tesla calls are coming back almost to break even. If you guys just want to cut them, just cut it and say, hey, we gave it a shot. I'm going to hold on to them. I think if we get the little bit of green tomorrow, Tesla should take off, at least in my opinion. It's going to see. It's still a tough trade. The 524s. I mean, if this thing starts dropping, they're going to zero. I got the call in June for Target. I got a call in June for Target. I don't know. If the markets go down, Thomas, Target's going down. I mean, if you're in the money in Target, that's great. I would probably just take it. I mean, it's going up, but man, I mean, it's on earnings. Everything seems to be good with Target. We are into some big areas here, guys. Big area will be 81.76. And this little low pivot down here around 80. If you can't get above 80, you're going to have some problems. If you do have some calls, great. Just tighten the stops. Don't wake up. You don't want to wake up when we're 400 down tomorrow. We're down again tomorrow, guys. All these ones that are green today, they're all going to be red. This is all on news right now, popping and slopping. So just be careful. We get a little green, though. That Tesla should roll. Man. Holy cow, though. USO. The USO Whisper. Amazon down 51. All those bulls the other day. Oh, here it goes. You're right. I'm entered small and into my, yeah. If you're in the money, man, you got to push up. Market's got to continue higher. We get another blood day tomorrow. This will turn around and it will start going down. I don't give a shit what earnings it has. Okay. Well, where's Walmart today? Is Walmart up too? Remember Walmart leading the rally that day, and as it was fading, they were like talking about it. Walmart, what? Walmart? Who's that? Walmart. And then it retraced. Oh, Walmart's back. And now it's dropping again. Don't talk about Walmart. This is great though, guys. Down, sideways, get some more bulls on. That usually leads to lower prices. That little retrace, that little FU, get in, hurry, and then they drop it in your face. So yeah, just be careful with that, Thomas. If you're buying calls and we start bleeding tomorrow again, a lot of stuff's going to go a lot lower. And we're going to be like, yay, keep going, baby. All these high flyers will slowly bleed. And that's how we're playing it. And I'm sticking to my guns, guys, sticking to my guns. All right, so let's see here. We're just chopping around now, guys, but we're holding that 281 area. That's a big area for the SPY. Members, look at that right there. You have a gap fill down here, and you have the big trend line. All right, they're going to have to save this thing. And we talked about this in our videos with the members. If you can't get above this 50 MA, stay above this channel around the 290, it's going to come right back in. Typical shit. Down, side, up, get everybody excited, and then drop it in their face. Now bring it to another technical area where everyone who went long, they're all going short here now. Oh, man, this is it. It's going down. And they start loading up on the short side. We get one more bounce to this highs here. We don't take out the 50 or the 20. We get right there, and then the next wave down. So we're going to see if we hold here. So far, so good. Let's see. We pulled off our puts. No more. We don't have any more puts, guys. We do have some long positions, though. A couple little tiny positions in some of these low flyers. We did short some puts, though, today on the SPY. Little bit out of the money, but they're coming in right now. If we do get this pop, man, we're going to get paid on those short puts. And I'm willing to hold them, guys. I really am. They expire tomorrow. If we start moving up, they're going to go right to zero. Like every other options X on a Friday. It's crazy. It's crazy how they work this. We getting some news or something, guys? But we are holding that 280.96, though, guys. I believe that was a gap fill right there. So, yeah, we are holding the let's go 281. It's a big area, guys. And we have a little more support around 280 just in case we start to fall. All right, we're moving up again. Let's see here. Yeah, it sucks. I wish we could get more people in today. That's why I'm trying to do more live streams, both. I want to get about 100 people in here. 100 people, guys, we got eyes all over the market telling me, hey, look at this one, look at that one, look at this one. And check this out, guys. If you're not in these put or in these calls, 524, 205 Teslas, they're clicking off right around 60 bucks right now. God, give it a shot. They already popped up on us to 80 and 90. Everyone should be out of something on those. But for me, I think it's worth the risk. I'm going to hold what I have. And I even have other ones that I bought at, 90 or 85 cents. And those I already pulled off most of them. So you know what? Time to give it a shot, guys. Tesla, he wrote a beautiful letter. Yeah, double bottom on the SPY, you got it. But with a confirming downtrend, guys, we're down 400. We're just bleeding. That's it. I mean, it's trying to hold it. But look at this, down. Look at this great bearish pattern. They flush it right into the gap fill. We get the bid, pops down, holds it. It's trying. Like the only thing that's got going for us is 53 million on the SPY. If we had 153 million on the SPY, I'd say, guys, tighten your stops. We're going down. We're going low into the close. So they could still pop this, guys. And they get this thing going a little bit. They got to get it above this trend line. And that trend line here is from this. If you're a member, you know it. That's the trend line right there. That's huge. That's huge. It's a beautiful letter, guys. Now just bring on Buffett and Becky. Yes, Becky. Hello, Becky. It's Warren. Oh, you want me to come on today? Great. You're interviewing me, right? Okay, Becky. We're going to go over my portfolio. Creepy. It's like creepy Joe Biden. All right, let's do this. Come on, Tesla. But yeah, Tesla, holy crap. I hopped on right here, guys. I couldn't. I tweeting and trading. I could right when we were hitting that 180 or 190 area, 188. It was like, holy crap, I'm buying calls. And they just ripped them. Holy cow. I think they went to I think they were at 50 cents and they went to like 280 or something like that. And then here we are chopping. So we made the high, lower high, a little bit of a downtrend in here, kind of ugly. What was that one? I don't know. Put a dollar sign and a symbol. I have no idea what you're putting in there. If that's even a symbol. But yeah, so Tesla, we got to get above this area. It's got to get above 200, guys. That's the area. See how we just barely met. Everybody hopped on right here, and then the market makers came in and they took it to them. But this is one, guys. We have an hour and a half left where all of a sudden, the beautiful ladder comes into play. Big areas, you're going to have to get above that 200, period. Yeah, I'm still holding the June calls. Yeah. They were actually in there. The high of the day, I think, was like 190. So if you had the June calls, my average price is 152. So 190, it's not a huge gain, but it's a gain. And in these markets at this time, guys, take what you can. That's why I tell all you members, guys, you're in the money. You got smaller accounts. Take it. Like the puts today on the SPY, you should be out. Maybe one contract just in case we get a flush tomorrow. But take the money and run. Damn. Trying to teach all you guys that. Just like Tesla, guys. Just like when it was at 380 and everyone's, oh, Elon tweeted 420. It's got to do it. And I was like, I don't know. That 180 is coming soon. You're crazy, Bookie. You're crazy. Look at that. We almost got there. Still isn't out of the woods, though. This could be the one bounce, guys, that leads to the next down wave. Been pretty good, though. That one, you got to get above the 20 MA. You got to get it above the MAs here. I think you can go to 205 and fill this gap at least. Oh, yeah. I'm beat up today, guys. Wow. Lots going on. Trying to keep an eye on all my shorts, too. If you're in the money in any of those short share positions, guys, if you have better entries than me, start chiseling some off. At least sell half. Yeah, only 22 people watching today. How lame. My other site does better. Because once you pop it in and then everyone gets an alert and then usually get about 50 people. But I haven't been doing the live streams that much anymore. But we'll get there. We'll get there, guys. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. Market's right back down, guys. Wow. It is a turd today for no volume. 53 million, and we still can't get anything going. Either we need a Trump tweet, guys. We need a beautiful letter. Yeah, XL and X. I mean, that's the only guess I could get. XL and X. That would be the only other one I would guess. Thirsty Thursday. Yeah, right. XL and S. If that's it, I mean, nothing to do. We were short this name, taking profits, or everyone should have been taking profits. Oh man, I'm in so many shorts. It's like, all right, guys, which one am I not in anymore? Right? But the XLNX, yeah, yesterday we took more off at 98.46. So we only have a small position now in this one, guys. All right, and it's chopping around. So we got the bounce. We took it off because we bounced off the 200 MA on the daily. Look at that, nice little bounce right back in. Markets keep selling. It's going lower. That's why now I'm trying to pull off some of these positions, guys, and these high flyers. I'm trying to hold quarter positions and trying to get them to run. Because like this one here, guys, we covered more at 98 or whatever, 98, 46. Price target's 85 on this one. And then if that gives out, it could go to 65 bucks. So I'm gonna be a little pig on some of these and hold them because markets like this, guys, news up, down, crazy shit. You just gotta just take it easy, get the profits. Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. If that's the one, I'm not sure. You should comment. You should be able to. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You got it. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, we were short, guys, from 117, 118 area. We covered more at 98, and if this thing keeps going, it's going to be 85. SPY keeps dumping. It will be 85. All right, guys. So Tesla's trying. SPY's dumping. I'm holding puts on it, but I got in around 100. Yeah, I mean it now you're hitting support at the 200. This thing can just chop. So to be careful with it. For me, I'm out of most of my position. I'm holding. I'm hoping to get 90. If it comes around 90, I'll be out. I mean, from 120 to 90, that's a hell of a trade. I'm out. Done. Take what you can. All right, guys. If you're in those Tesla options, they're popping off at 62, 60. We need one good jam here. One good news story, guys. Yeah, so be careful with that. You are into support on this one with the daily. Let's see. Daily you see a little better. Then you also have this too. 90 set. You got a big gap window and then the gap fill. But if this area gives out, the gap window gives out, you're going to gap fill right around one at $90. SPY keeps selling, it's definitely going lower. SPY catches a bid though. Remember, everyone's in love with this one for some whatever reason. Earnings or whatever popped up. I mean, all the way up, came back. Where are we at right at this point, guys? So we retraced almost 100% to the January pop. Unbelievable. And then right back. So there could be buy the dippers in this one. But this retrace, right, if it goes right back down and starts going, then it's probably going to go lower. Everything's, again, SPY trade, market trade. MAXR halted. I don't even know what that one is. We could look at it, though. MAXR, I don't even know. Halted. Oh, yeah, I don't trade these light volume names. And now it's just getting some news is coming on or something. What do we have today? 5 million today? Yeah, we got good volume today, but usually it's what? Trading a million? Couple. Yeah, about $1 million on the day. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why they halted it, but be ready. Be ready. I don't know. Good or news? I have no idea on this one, but just be prepared. For me, I'm not looking at that. I gotta keep an eye on the SPY. SPY keeps dragging, guys. It's gonna take everything down with it. Look at that at the lows again. 54 million. It still can't get out of its own way. Damn, is that just a weak turd? All right, so let's see here. Yeah, Tesla squeeze. We'll see. You would think. The only problem is the SPY's going lower. So it's just if the SPY can actually catch a bid, Tesla could go, but it could get to a point though, because Tesla bulls are so desperate at this point, guys, where we could get a pretty good squeeze. I think they tested it out right here this morning, and man, I caught that. That was just a beautiful trade. And then look at that. Everyone hopped on right here going, oh man, here it goes. And then look what they did to them. It's like, damn. They're just showing no mercy to the Tesla bulls right now. I mean, you get in, you get out. Just like those other ones too. We got in at 56. We're out at 80, at 90. Hold a couple, see if we could get them to run. All right, guys. So let's see here. Elon Musk smokes crack. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, right. You got it. It's like, and then Trump tweets. I mean, we could get a tweet right now, guys. Next thing you know, we're only 200 down on the Dow. So yeah, if you're in puts and anything, guys, you should be selling, covering, especially ones that expire tomorrow, the weeklies. The SPY puts you should be out of completely. Now it's like, we should have held a little bit. But hey, when we're dumping at 425, 450, and 5, I'm done. 100%ers, come on. I mean, yeah, you kind of bitch and moan about it. I could add more. Your typical trader could add more. No, it's good enough. You have to learn that it's good enough. Sorry, 100% are not good enough. It's crazy. And I've been there, guys. And you guys with the bigger accounts, you take a $10,000 position and you're up 30, 40%, you're up $4,000, pull it. Save 1 or 2. If you get it to run, great. Man, there's a time to be a pig and there's a time to be not to be a pig, But gosh, like today, they're just, we'll see. They almost have to bounce it up at this point. Is there anything with the FOMC today or anything? Got to watch out for Uncle Jerome and the central bankers. Next thing you know, they'll be coming out and going, yeah, everything's good again. And yeah, we're watching the data. We're going to, we're looking at lowering the rates. That's the next thing out of, Trump's mouth. But, we're fighting the news today. I don't even know what was the reason today why we're bombing. Let's see. Let me pull up CNBC. See what comes up here. Gosh, I cleared all my data, everything, guys. I have nothing. CNBC. Wall Street becoming convinced the trade war is here to stay and will only get worse. now they're throwing that in there. Yes, 2 days ago it was a deal. Now they're convinced it's not here to stay now, even though they're meeting in June now. The G20. I bet you December 3rd of 2019, guys, they'll still be talking China trade stuff. A year later, they're close. So let's see. Trade war fears. Oh, here goes Tesla. All right, guys, if you're in those options from 56, let's go. Let's do this, Elon. Gosh, they could give this thing a massive squeeze. Come on. We got to get above 200. I think if we all cheer together. Yeah, I know. Elon leaked email. That was convincing. All of a sudden the emails around the world. Yeah, oh yeah, it was. Oh yeah, Chris. Yeah, technicals. Yeah, Elon 420, right? You know what? You got to follow the news to a certain extent. You got to follow the technicals too, and a little bit of fundamental trading here and there. But at the end of the day, guys, it's just like that ILNX. It's hitting the 20 MA or 200 MA, big area here, bleeding. You got to take something off there. You know, everyone else is, trying to buy the dip. Everyone's trying to do this or trying to short it. And it's like, man, it's hitting good support here. It could actually bounce. And look, we got the bounce. Kind of like Tesla when we took that other call position. It's got to get back above. Let's see. We have a couple minutes left of this candle. We got to close above the MAs. If we could close above the MAs, we can actually get something going. Yeah, the Elon. Trump. I think Trump said, Elon wrote a beautiful letter today. I read it too. And all of a sudden he's hitting production numbers, guys. Come on. It's like, if he could tweet, it's got to be killing him. He's got to have fake accounts, and he's probably blowing up the Twitter feed, with one of his Elon Musk fake accounts. Better buy Tesla. Don't short it. We need one of those tweets. Come on, Elon. Just do it, man. It's only going to cost you 20 mil. APHO low flyer. Let's see. APHA. What is this one though? Nah. Let's see. Monthly. Well, 20. Nah, it's got to go a little bit further from the 20 MA. See how it was stretched from the 20 way up here to 20 MA? It's got to go down more, unfortunately. Maybe around this pivot here. $4, maybe. If it gets to $4, Chris, let me know. But yeah, stay away. This thing's just not doing shit. And look at this. High, lower, high, lower, high. Retracing, get more shit bags on. Retracing, get more shit bags on. And then they'll bring it down again, retrace again, bring it down. Stay away from this one. Nothing yet. If you want a long one, try this piece of crap. AAOI. We're in a great support down here. It's due. And it might only go back to, $12, maybe a little higher, but it's due. Look, you're getting really stretched from the 20, and then just another beat in the shit name, just getting killed. Low, something that you play around with. Nah, let had earnings, let it go. If the markets continue to sell, Lowe's is going lower, and the trade was already there. It already pulled back. Let it go lower. Then we'll be looking for buy the dips. Let the markets get creamed. We'll come back. We'll buy the dip. I have, yeah, so do I. But you know what? You know how many people were buying at 60, at 50, at 23, and then you got the bounce. They all chased it and came right back down. This is the spot. If it goes lower, then we just cut it. You got to give it a shot down here. I mean, the lows 814. What was the low today? I mean, we could still go to the low is still at 808. Still could be in a little pain. Just an option. But, SPY keeps going lower. It's going to drag everything's ass down. STMP, we're trying this turd too. And this one's just going, man, it's just not holding. But, but at least we're giving it a shot at 34, not at 136 or 200. Now you have to give this one a shot because this is where it came in and then took off. So you're going to have some support down here. And now look where the 20 is on the monthly on there. Remember, we're up here. 20 MA was there. Now look where the tweets gets. It's going to bounce. It's just a matter of when. And I think if more bad news pumps out, we could be in trouble. But again, you don't throw 50, 100 grand at this name. you throw maybe a couple grand, just a inch in, maybe a $10,000 position. Right now, being about 5, just in case. I mean, maybe it goes to 0. I don't know. But markets continue lower. It will have anything will have problems other than like Thor. We're up to Thor. That was another high flyer. Look at this piece of shit. We were shorting it up here, and everyone was like, "You're kidding me! There's no way!" I got to go find this one. There was a bull that was just kept busting my ass about shorting this name. Look, Target. Look at it. Let's go to the weekly. Remember, weekly 200 MA is Target. Look at that. Blasted right through it. Still going low. So this is something we might be looking at maybe for a long, because these will bounce one day, but a little bit lower, guys. Gosh. That wouldn't have been bad right there. That $50. Look at that. Bounce to 70. It came right back in. Let's get more bag holders on. Dump it in their face again. Yeah, AOI. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I got you in that one. But again, though, you got to, when you're at the all-time lows, you got to give it a shot. Like JCPenney, another turd. You got to just throw some money at it and see if it moves. Oh, man. Nothing to do. Look at that, though. Look at that high flyer, guys. Ass kicking right to almost $2 and then up. Yeah. What would you like to do with this one? Nothing to do. But look at that. Same with AAOI. Look at that. Went right to the basement and got a nice bid. And man, great resistance up here, guys. I don't like this one. I don't know what it is either. Damn. Freaking IWM making new lows, guys. God, just bleeding. Confirming downtrend still in, guys. Yeah, nothing to do. Looks like we looked at this one before. If it can't get past double top, you made a high, lower high, you might just kind of start bleeding again. Let's put this trend line in here. If you can't get above 75, that's it. You're going to probably maybe go straight back down. Who knows? It's not really a stretch name. Nothing. I mean, just kind of chopping around. Thoughts on SPY, correlations, XLV. Yeah, I don't look at that stuff. I just follow the SPY. Guys, the other thing, wow, we're breaking down again, guys. Holy shit. Even with light volume. But this one, yeah, nothing for me to do. If you're trying to go long, if you can't get above 75, then probably start chiseling it off. If you're trying to go short, not a bad area. If you pop above 75, you might be going in a 90 area. So it's nothing for me to do. Let's look at the daily just to see. I mean, daily's looking a little weak. Yeah, I can't. It's not really a stretch chart. I mean, monthly's not bad. I mean, you're getting stretched from 20, but look at that guy stretched and then lights out. Wow. Yeah, I don't, Chris, I try to keep everything as simple as I can. I think you might have mentioned that too with the XLV and this and the USO. The only thing, the correlation with the USO, we'll talk about that another time. This is a public feed, so I'll go private possibly tomorrow, maybe even later on today, or maybe we'll do it. I got screwed with my StockBookie site. I could go on my John C site, but I can't go on my StockBookie site and go live. Well, they were saying I having a problem, but then I could do it live on this, so it kind of pisses me off. And I know mostly you guys are mostly my members in here, so low. Don't touch it. I mean, we could look at it. Let's see. No, that's not LOW. Markets grind down, guys. It's just going to drag everyone's ass down. Yeah, don't touch. But look at this, guys. Monthly chart. Damn, we missed this one too. Look at that. Boom. Look at this though. Boom, short. Boom, short. Double top. Can't make it. And look at this one though, guys. You might have a little head and shoulder here. Huh. Now, if we... Wow. I kind of like this. Holy shit. This thing breaks down. Let's see if we could get the bounce and get another retrace, and then we'll short it. Down here, you can't. Damn it. This would have been the area, guys. Holy shit. Look at this thing. Left shoulder, head. Wow. This could be a head and shoulder top here, guys. Holy, look, you could really see it on the weekly. You start seeing, whoa, look at this crap, guys. Wow, that's not good. It's lows, guys. We did take it out. Shit. I don't like that. I don't like that we went above the head, but we could still play it as a trend line breakdown. But guys, if this thing does play out as a head and shoulder, yeah, it's a little bit above that. All right, now I do. If we get another retrace, definitely short it. But if this thing takes out the neckline, it's not a true head and shoulder. You can kind of make a case. We're going to $50, dude. Guys, dude. Yeah. This head and shoulder plays out, guys. Market's dump. We're going to $50 on this. So let's hope we get a retrace on this. I wouldn't hop on this one yet. Damn, right there was the area, 115. You know, that's a shit kicker, isn't it? I can't watch everything. Now, Chipotle, yeah, I'm getting railed on this short, guys, but I've been in this position before with this asshole stock, you know, but we've traded long, short, whatever. We make good money. We traded a bunch of different times. So whatever, you know, I don't get emotional with my positions because they're small enough. When you start getting big positions, and I could tell, I get emails from members going, "Hey man, what about this one? Hey man, what about this one? Hey man, what about this one?" And it's like, hey, what size position are you in? Well, I'm all in. It's like, it's like shit. How can I help you when you're all in? And you're just like this trade. God, if you go all in on this, you're just getting, well, you're done. They already margin called you and you're already out. Chipotle, I think they got some news or something. I don't know, but you get a run from 400 to 700. It's due for a pullback. Look at the monthly chart. 452 is the price target right now. This should have never have happened, but it did. There's institutional players, hedge funds that they got in this thing, and someone needed higher prices, and they took every short to the house, guys. Every short's loaded to the hill. We at Stockbookie, guys, never. If you go all in and you're emailing me on a trade, help me, don't email me. I can't help you. I preach that every day in my videos, especially new members. You have to take these, slow and steady, guys. You can't just like today at the SPY, you can't just, oh my gosh, it's at the lows, I'm going all in. No, we can gap down tomorrow and it's lights out. That's it. Hopefully not. Hopefully we get some, something in Tesla, But yeah, Chipotle, it's starting to break down a little bit. I got to see more. I got to see the weekly close. I think it is on news. I mean, look at that. Comes back in, right back up. Someone's got an underlying bid on this one that's just unbelievable. I mean, look at this weekly straight up, guys. I mean, it went up with the markets. I get that. But man, right. I mean, they just got a hold of this and it was lights out. But you don't have time for that. Yeah. No, but when I was consulting these guys back in the day, big players, huge accounts, and they'd start sending me texts. Hey man, look at Tesla. Hey man. Well, no, I told you. And this was back when Tesla was hold on. Yes, I don't know if I could get the right name in here. This was back when Tesla, back in these days. And when it was going up and up and up, I think maybe right here, I know it was around 275. Yeah, 269, 275-ish area. Yeah, 210. So this thing's going up, and I'm telling everybody, all right, we're gonna wait for double top, 275-ish, anywhere up in there, 280. I don't care, one of those plays. And then I start getting the emails or the text is, hey man, can you look at Tesla? No, 275. Hey man, can you look at Tesla? No, 275. Hey man, can you look at Tesla? Yeah, 275. Here we are. Let's do it. Well, I took a trade at 220. I'm getting my ass kicked. What should I do? Should I hold it? Should I cut it? I'm like, huh? What'd you do? Shorten calls too. Just getting railed. And then they don't do anything. It comes right back down. Take the profits. They don't take anything and goes right back up in their face again. We're shorting calls again. They're blowing up again. But that, I can't help people that just going nuts. That's one thing, guys, that if you don't know how to trade and you're just throwing money at Tesla, at this one, at that one, you will lose. And you will lose quickly, especially on the weekly options. You might just go donate to a charity, guys. Don't donate to Wall Street. AC, what is it? High flying, literally? $AC? I don't know. Let's see. Does something come up? Nah. Is that the one, AC? TO? Yeah, I don't. Is that a pink sheet one? I don't even know if I'll get this one. Is that? Yeah, I don't. Is there a $sign in front? Yeah, I don't even know what this is. Will it come up now? Yeah, Ashton. I mean, you've been with me, I tell her it's just, everyone laughs. Like I told everyone yesterday when we bought these puts, I just want a little bit in the game, guys. I don't need a huge position. And look, 146, that they're at 624 right now. You cutting the 424 Tesla? I'm gonna hold it. I did cut some off that one. So I took some profits, still in a decent sized trade. But yeah, I don't get that one, Chris. Nothing from Canada for me. I got to pay for all my shit on these charts, guys. Everything's extra through eSignal. The futures, the $ SPX, everything. So I just keep it just straight charts, straight USA shit, and that's it. I pay $200 a month for my charts. If I add more shit, I'll be paying $400 a month. And Canada, China, I don't trade that shit. I really don't. Canada, maybe. But I just want the American stocks, guys. I know the tickers. I follow them. I've been trading them for years. Yeah, I don't, and I look at the marijuana ones in Canada, guys. I really want to own some of those, but if I want to do it, I'll do it. I'll go through Thinkorswim. They let me, they allow me to trade, if I set it up with them to trade all the indexes everywhere around the world. But I want to sleep at night too, guys. That's why I tell everybody too. I'm going on vacation in July 6th, I believe it is, going on a cruise. I'm shutting down. I'm not going to be on a cruise. I don't even know what they do on the cruise with the internet, but I need time to say, hey, I'll let my position sit. They'll most likely be the high flyers, but that's all right. That's it. Take a break. You need a break from these markets, guys. I'm going to Rocky Point, Mexico tomorrow, hopefully leaving around noon. So I might, at the end of the day, I don't know if I'm going to make a video. If I do, I'm getting back on Monday afternoon or so. I'll make the video then for my members. You have to take time from these markets, especially if you're losing. If you're losing, go get away. These are markets that are going to take you out. They're taking out every bull right now in Tesla. Everyone. They're going to give that. I wouldn't doubt they give it one bounce and then they take it down again. And that's why when we bought these calls, guys, we got in, got the hell out. All right. We bought more calls. Once they gapped it down on us, they took us out on those. That sucked too. When we gapped down that day, I knew it. It was like, they're killing us right now. We bought calls right here, guys. When they gapped it down, the 500 down day, they took us out. We could have a little doji today, though. That could lead to higher prices. We'll see with these. Yeah, Las Palomas. Yeah. No, I had a place in Las Palomas. I sold it. We have a house. We have a house right by Manny's, actually, David. Yeah, Las Palomas. Yeah, I did a lot of golfing on that course. We were in, I think the second building when they were building them, because I think they have 3 or 4 now. We had the second building, like 9th floor, overlooking the ocean. It was nice, but we had the house too as well. But we were renting that one, made great amount of money on that. I was like, you know what? I'm dumping it. So we just kept the house and we're just roll. I'll post some pictures. Oh, you just got back from there? Nice. Yeah, if you're at Manny's and you're looking out to the ocean and to the left there, about a mile or two, there's some houses there. That's where my house is. We have a 2-story house, casita. We could sleep like 20 in it, right on the ocean, guys. 2-story. It's awesome. Yeah, phase 2. Okay. Yeah, phase 2, they stepped it up. They upgraded everything, countertops, everything was marble. We were in right before that, and then everything. You know what? We made money. I dumped it. I was like, I don't need 2 places down here. And then the house that I have now down there, guys, we don't rent. We just, I mean, I'll let friends stay there and use it, but other than that, it's pretty cool. No, I don't have Instagram. I have enough crap as it is, guys. Yeah, I'm almost 50 years old, guys. I'm like old school. If phase 3 is under construction now, geez. Yeah, no, I bought my house in Rocky Point. Gosh, I'm trying to think. Let's see. Has to be 2000, maybe 19 years ago. We paid nothing for it, guys. It was not actually, we had another one. It was a 1-story and they were building other ones and they were building 2 stories. So we bought another one. So we had a 2-story and a 1-story. We sold the 1-story, made a good chunk of change. And now we have the 2-story, which we paid, David, paid in full, brother. So that's why I don't give a shit if I rent it or not. Let's see. Yeah. You know what, guys? I don't have nice cars, guys. I don't have shit. I want to retire when I'm 50. I'm banking everything I got. I'm paying off all my debt. I want to be done when I'm 50. And then maybe And I don't even think then I'd buy it. I used to drive the Benzes, guys. I had the nicer cars, the BMWs. I don't drive that shit anymore. I'm very low key, guys. My house is paid off. I have a building that's paid off. I'm working on one more building. I got the house in Rocky Point. I'm done. You know what? The most important thing right now to me is spending time with my kids and knowing that, hey, I don't have to go to work. I still even run my printing company, guys, because I got 5 or 6 accounts that just gravy work. If I can make another 100K just brokering printing, why the hell not? Yeah, yeah. I'm waiting for the next crash because I should have been buying freaking houses in 2010, and I just didn't. Like we're not. Tesla's trying. Tesla wants to go up so bad, guys. The market's killing it. The SPY going down is just killing everything, guys. Look at that Tesla. Let's try. Come on, baby. Options are at 60 cents or $60, whatever you want to call it. Let's see here. You got a younger person in energy. Yeah. Oh gosh, people tell me all the time. I don't know how you do it. I mean, literally, I'm up at 5 in the morning, 5:30, and I'm up until midnight every night. I get 6 hours of sleep, 5.5. I'm doing it again, guys. But when I go to Rocky Point, I'm doing absolutely nothing. Nothing. And that's it. Let's see here. I'll show yours. F yeah. Let's see. JK, flip houses, stocks, way more baller. Yeah. Cooler than a polar bear. Yeah. Oil man, what's your take? It's Bookie, I do printing too. Do you steal my account? Yeah, no. I do banners, man. That's it. I have a banner machine. And then I have I broker most of my stuff. Some bug sugar bug buddy. Yeah, we'll maybe go to the we call it the Guau Guau. If you know who was down there in Rocky Point, the Guau Guau over by Gus's taco stand. I'm gonna buy some half sticks of dynamite this time, though. I think, guys, we're gonna see. I found a guy who's got cherry bombs and shit down there. He's like, "Hey, man, come in the back room." I'm like, "What do you got back there?" He's like, "Here, check this bomb out." I was like, "Whoa." He's like, "It's a half stick." I was like, "No shit. How much are those?" I said, "I don't know. Those are dangerous." I said, give me the cherry bomb." All right. But no, I love that place. We go to Rodeo Drive. If you've been down to Rocky Point, Rodeo Drive, where they have all the shops. They have a real good restaurant down there that has really good food. It's like a 2-story little hole in the wall. I don't know the name. Oh, M80s all day long. They got the like the M500s, guys. Like gosh, what they look like a thick candlestick and about 5 inches long or whatever. Kaboom. Well, hey, if I get some, I'll make some. We'll blow some up on the beach and make some videos. I'll post it on the Twitter site. We do have internet down there, but I gotta shut down, guys. These 12 16-hour days are killing me. Yeah, dynamite. Let me tell you, he pulled that one out. I was like, dude. I was like, wow. It's like, are you supposed to have that? It was kind of a half-assed job though, how it was made. So it was kind of like, so quick goes and it just smoke bomb. I'm gonna hit that weekend, and I think I'm gonna purchase stuff, blow some shit up over the weekend. I was telling my kid that too. So my kid's all like, come on, Dad. All right, so IWM, guys, bleeding. I wish we would have bought puts in that one. That thing's bleeding out of its eyes. Tesla's trying. We got to hold on to those calls. I am. If you guys want to take the small profit, unless we get a major push into the close, which maybe they're coiling this thing up to get one of these, they got to get above 200, guys. But if this thing starts ripping, I'll probably just get out of them. I'll still hold the June. The Junes are at break even, guys. They're clicking off at 147. Sketchy, yeah, no shit. But hey, we're gonna hit there. Probably buy some shrimp. Go to a couple of those restaurants. There's a real good bakery we go to all the time. We bring some cakes home, shit like that. But yeah, awesome. I think about 15 of us are going down this time. But we got a couple. We have 3 bedrooms in the main house. Then we have the casita, which has another bedroom and a kitchen and a whole little thing. So we could sleep. We have basically 5 bedrooms, and then the kids will sleep on blow-up beds. We bring a bunch of blow-up beds and stuff. But we have a 3-car garage and shit too, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, you don't want to leave your shit down in Rocky Point.
But we know some of the people. We helped them build a skate park down there. A couple of my buddies, so we know the Federales and all that stuff. We're pretty the Boo Bar. How about the Wow Wow? The Guau Guau. Maybe my buddies will hit that. I'm married, so my wife will be like, "Where are you going tonight?" We're going to Gus's taco stand. That's where we're going. So let's see here. The Boo Bar. Gosh. Yeah, we've been hitting the last place. We were somewhere at the fish market. A couple of those bars over there. Is that where the Boo Bar is? I don't even know. Like I said, I if I was younger, oh my gosh, we'd be tearing that place up. But what we've been doing, guys, we'll get some of the sand rails. We'll hit some of the sand. We'll charter a boat. We know a bunch of people that have, that have fishing boats and stuff. We'll give them a couple hundred. They'll take us out, go fishing and shit like that. Yeah, it's great. It's cool because we have a couple business cards. Like what the governor or whoever the guys are, you get pulled over by the federales and they're like, well, usually it's local cops. Hey man, what are you doing? You got your, this ID and this, and then they'll start busting your ass. You show them the card and they're like, oh, okay, have a great day, sir. It's like, yeah, F you. So yeah, so that little bit of FYI, David. Yeah. Pay the Red Cross too. Get that little sticker on your window. That will help you too. But yeah, we know some people down there, and it's very interesting when you know people and what the hell's going on in Rocky Point. All right, let's get back into the markets, guys. So Tesla's trying. We got an hour left. Let's see if we get these options going. We did get in right around 56 cents. Anywhere you could have got a better price than me, but they're pushing off at 62, 63 right now. Yeah, I can't wait. But my daughter has a party with her friends after school, and she's like freaking out. Oh, my friends are going to be there, and we're going to Rocky Point. It's like, yeah, they should be jealous. They're going to stick around, and we're going on vacation. So I got to work something out. My 12-year-old, 12-year-old girls. Oh yeah, something else. If you guys have kids, you know what I'm talking about. Love these live streams. Yeah, I'll be doing more. I wish we would have more people where, everyone's looking at stocks, we're just bullshitting now, but really the markets aren't doing anything. Just trying to hold that 281 area. Look at Tesla though. Oh, look at that. That's the first step of the process though, guys. Get it above the MAs. All right. They're not going to make this trade that easy. I mean, I might even go out until next week, maybe. Gosh, it's so overdue. And with that letter. And if we get any bit of profits, guys, like we already took some off this one. Any little bit more, take it off. Because we can wake up to a disaster tomorrow. 5. Oh, yeah, 5, Ashton. Yeah, you know that. But all my friends are going, and then I'm like, honey, if we leave at noon, we're going to get to Rocky Point by 3:34. We'll be in, ready to go, eat dinner, hang out, hit the beach, whatever. But my friends, it's like, all right. And then I gave her this one. All right, grandma's going. Then the twins will go with grandma with her, and she loves grandma. Well, that's not fair. They're going with grandma. It's like, why is that fair? You want to stay with your friends? Yeah, but I want to go with grandma too. I said she's leaving at noon. If you go to the party, you can't both. But I want both. It's like, oh wait, now it's different. The twins can go with grandma. You're pissed. It's like, huh? So yeah, so I'm giving it. I mean, it's your decision. If you want to go, great. Go with grandma, but we're leaving. If we were going to leave a little bit later, that's fine. And I don't want kids. Yeah, no, I love my kids. We just won our championship game in baseball. One of the coaches, we went 13-0 on the season and won the championship. we didn't choke. Oh, guys, if markets are coming in more. If you're short puts with me and the SPY, I might just cut them. Take the small loss. I didn't load up the boat, guys. Went in with a couple grand just to say, oh, yeah, I want to get my feet wet. If we get the nice push up, those things are going to zero, of course. That's like the trade of the century. It might be the first one I lose, guys. I've had 9 winning short put trades on the SPY. This might be the one loser. We'll see, though. We're still holding this area. God, we just can't catch a bid. But remember, for years, 12 o'clock, 3 to 4, the power hour. Remember that saying? Yeah, we all want both. No, I love my kids, guys. Pain in the ass. I can't wait until school's over. It's really the homework. If we didn't have homework or school, it'd be great.
Or if I had, if I hired a nanny or someone to do their homework for them, that would be even better. But that's the easy way out, guys. Can't make it that easy. No, but we help them. My wife's real good at it. My wife's a physician assistant, so she still works, guys. We're two pigs. Let me tell you. Wednesday, Thursday markets are allowed to be down. Yeah, jeez. Well, today it was just a beat down. And I knew it yesterday, guys, with the USO. That one was talking to us. It was down 3% and the markets weren't going anywhere. And it was like, And you can see on the USO, guys. And I made that go watch that video, guys, especially you members. This was the bullshit, guys. This was a test. Just grind it. What did it do? 216 to 2000. Pretty much recently, we went straight up. Where'd market go? We pulled back. Oil pulled back. We went up. Markets went up. We're pulling back. Markets are pulling back. Okay. We're still not out of the woods yet. We're still holding the 382 or 618 coming down now. But we talked about this area in my video right here. Great resistance, inside bar, trend line. Well, now we have the trend line coming up. Oh, we did have the trend line. Daily chart. There was it. That was it right there. Once we made that high top, came down, they popped it up here. And I was like, I think that's bullshit. They dropped it. This was down sideways, slightly bearish, but tangled up in the moving averages. So you couldn't really do too much here. You kind of had to let it sit. And of course it dropped and that was it. We're done. But I was waiting for a little 14, 15 area. Just didn't make it. So if this continues lower, guys, this will grind. SPY will stay buoyant. Then all of a sudden the SPY will start going. All right. Just watch for that. That's what I'll say with this one here. But yeah, it's almost this. This is a leader, whichever way, then the SPY will be the follower. All right. Right now it's moving down, but we are holding support down here. All right. Got some pretty good areas. We had a gap. Well, we didn't fill the gap, but we have the 618 down here from this high to that low. So it's a good support area, just like up here was good resistance. And Tesla coming right back in, guys. All the bulls are like, oh, you effing son of a bitch. All the bulls are just loading up right now. We at Stockbookie, little tiny positions, guys. Inch in. Just have something just in case this thing. I mean, honestly, we could get a $50 bounce, no problem. And honestly, we could get another, we're almost at the lows. I don't know. They beat this one down a little bit more. Holy cow. People are going to freak. Because the bulls are piling in now. If you had anything left, you're like, oh my gosh. It was a beautiful letter he wrote. That's a joke between a couple of us traders that I know. Because all of a sudden I get a message on Google. I don't even know what it is, chat or whatever. Trump just read the beautiful letter from the president of China. I was like, oh God. That's what I'm saying. Elon wrote a beautiful letter. But IWM, holy crap. All right, let's look at this one real quick here. Yeah, look at that. So we're coming up to something. Is that even something? Look at that. Shit. We talked about this. Down, sideways, below the MAs, weak stance. All you members should be knowing what the hell's going on here. We're calling it pretty damn good right now. Look at that. We cracked through 151. Lights out. Next area here. Great area. Or do they stop it short? Tomorrow, gap it lower and really send this effort down. Oh, man. Everyone on planet Mars is eyeing that. Oh, yeah. Crick's going to get their money. Yeah, maybe. I got 143 in the cards on Tesla, guys. That's what I'm saying. If you're taking these calls, we are not out of the woods yet. They could definitely slap us in the face and send this thing straight down. Everything. The whole everything. Markets keep dumping, guys. We're going to be in trouble. This one, though, coming in some pretty good areas here. Let's see on the monthly. Yeah, look at that cracking, though. Look at that, though, guys. Bam. Retrace it. And this 150-ish area's got to hold, guys. Damn. They are taking people out. Now, this week, we could get a bounce here now, though. Damn. Let me see something here. Oh, man. This is going to be a ballsy call, guys, but let's see. I want to see these two. God, those options just killing it. Man. All right. I got to see something here, guys. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? What? That's it? Let's see here. Just looking at a couple options, guys, just to, man. Oh my God, no way. All right. All right, guys, if you're members, I'm going to punch up a trade right now. This is going to total high risk trade. Where are we? All right. I don't. Gosh, actually, you'd probably get a. All right, I'm gonna put it. I still have a small. It's a small position, guys. I got to give this a shot here. Let's see. Let's see what. Hold on here. Man, oh man. All right. I don't know. This is a tough one for you guys. All right. If you want to take this trade, go for it. This is for members. I'm in it. If it works, great. If not, I'm just yeah. Yeah. All right, it's posted. We're gonna see if this thing bounces. You guys, gosh. Here we go. The fun. Let the games begin. Anywhere around that price, guys, isn't bad. Gosh. All right. SPY or the what am I looking at? Tesla options, 56 cents. So they're back to break even. My gosh, this is incredible. It's pretty close. This is make or break right here, guys. Even for the IWM. SPY's hanging on. Where's the Qs? Qs in there. You know, this is where I'm going to start looking for different areas, guys. Say, all right. Yeah, let's see. I mean, we'll see. Can you see anything to hold over the weekend? Nah. I mean, if any, maybe. I mean, I'm holding the high flyers, of course. Tesla 143, 117. Yeah, that one. There's 118 too, guys. Yeah, markets are closed on Monday. I'll hold the high flyers. Nothing else, guys. I'm going to be out of the Tesla calls. I'll probably hold. Yeah, the Tesla calls I will hold. The ones that expire tomorrow, I'm going to try to hope to get out tonight. But I'm trying to look at. Let's see. I just want to see if anything. Okay, yeah, look at that. Weekly. We're right at the 20 MA on the weekly on the Qs too. So we got support on the charts. DIA. Yeah, we're even there. I mean, we're coming to the point where if this starts to break, it's going to really start to get ugly. So this is some key areas, guys. If it breaks, boom, we're flushing. If these actually do get a bounce, then we'll get paid on these short puts. All right, that's how I'm playing it. Not big positions, guys. Just tiny inch in. If you could short puts, maybe $1,000. If you have a small account, maybe. You know, just get some skin in the game. If we get a nice big rally tomorrow, Tesla will fly. The puts will go down to zero, and everyone will be happy at Bookie Land, right? Yeah, Chris, we'll see. We'll see if it's a good trade. We are in some support again, though. Like I always tell you guys, my members, got to get some skin in the game, just like the SPY puts we bought yesterday. God, did those pay? Surprise! If Uncle Jerome, yeah, exactly. Let Uncle Jerome come in. We need a new letter. I gotta Beautiful letter. Oh my God. That's going to be the one for the next couple of weeks, guys. All right, let's see if we can do this. Dum, da, 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 right? And I still think Tesla. This is almost like it's got to go. It's got to give the bulls a little bit of relief, just to make them hold a little bit longer before the next wave down. Here, I honestly, at the end of the day, guys, that's your area, 180. That cracks, it's going to be 141, and then that 118 pivot. God, if that's worse than that, I mean, you even have this trend line too, which is huge. It's a huge trend line, people, huge. And that's a little bit, maybe 175 pierce and then get the bounce. But again, if the markets cannot bounce, forget about it. That's it. Puts are done. The short puts are going to blow up in our face. But that, just keep a short leash on those. If they start blowing up, we just have to exit. Say we give it a shot. It's okay. We have 9 in a row winners shorting puts. So that one loser, even if it goes, 100% on us, it's fine. It's not fine. It sucks, but I could take the blow. I'm not all in. I'm not the all-in trader. Do it. Hurry. So we're still in a confirming downtrend, guys, and it's ugly. Okay. And it's an ugly, ugly, ugly confirming downtrend on the day. It's just pretty much been intact all day. The reason why I took those call or puts off, just the volume sucked ass. We're at 62 million. That's why this little down move's a little bit of suspect. I see a lot of big orders going through, guys, on these puts, like 600 options, 1,000, 2,000. That tells me some people are coming in and shorting this shit. All right. So that's something I look for too. All of a sudden you get, 2,000, you get 5,000, you get 6,000, and these options are just clicking off. And it's like, who the frick would be buying, 1,000 of these options after this big move? And it's like, they're shorting this shit. They are. All right. SPY's catching a bid, guys. Come on, baby. Oh, man. Teslas are coming alive. They're 59 now. So, but you never know. Could they squeeze into the close, guys? This was pretty painful today, guys. Now, remember, if you're in short shop, if you're shorting any of those high flyers and you got some money on the table, I'm still underwater on some of these trades. Take something. Don't wait for me. Period. Do not wait for this guy. All right. So here we go. We're catching a little. Remember, we're into pretty good support all the way across the board. Got to look. Ooh, Tesla, guys. Coming alive. Oh, come on, baby. Come to daddy. Now, again, whatever, guys. Small positions. I know the all-in traders. Those are the guys who are like if you notice on Stock Twits, there's Thankfulness. She's all in on Tesla, guys, just getting murdered. And she's in a big position in Amazon too, getting murdered. God, all you guys. I told everyone Tesla was at 380. Sell, Mortimer, sell. Right? but that's what they do, guys. They get everyone to buy the dip. They get all the sheep all programmed. Buy the dip. Look at Tesla. Every time it dipped, guys would buy it. You got to buy it. It's Tesla. Buy the dip. Now you're in with margin, all in. Your average price is 300. And they're railing you at 190. FLT? Let's take a look. FLT. I've never even seen this one. Wow, look at that. No. It's already coming in, guys. Let's see though, monthly. Let's see where we're at. Nah. It needs to go a little bit more. Not a bad. I like that. I like what you're saying. I mean, 300 would probably be the area for me. Ooh, Tesla's guys, 71 on Tesla's guys, 71. No, I'm not short this one, but let's see if we can go a little higher. Okay, maybe we get that bid for the next couple of days. Everything gets flying. Everyone feels good again. Buy the dips working once again. I told you so. And then they pull the rug again. All right, guys. The IWM short puts, if you're in them from that 105, they're going off at 89 cents. If you want to take that quick 10%, cut it. Don't wait for me, right?
Don't wait for this guy. All right, Tesla's going off at almost 70 now, guys. All right, I got a tweet here, guys. All you members aren't in here, so hold. Give me a second. All right, let's see here. Let's see. I gotta go Tesla's. Back to 0.70. If you can't take pain, then take profits. I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna hold these. I'm holding what I have left. Ooh, Spike. We ripped the next half hour, guys. Tesla should go up. So I'm just writing to my members right now, guys. Last time I was forgetting. Like, oh shit, I forgot about this trade. All right, so there. So we're back to 70. So no one should lose. No one should have lost on this trade. They're back. They're clicking off at almost 74 now, guys. Whoa, yeah. Oh, one big one, guys. One big push, please. Give us to at least 100 on these. I'll be happy with that, I guess. All right, guys, going off at 71 now. So if you're in these Tesla calls, if you got in at 56, 50, ever tried using Discord booking? No. Everybody, if you're members, I'm going to have GoToMeeting. That's what I've been using. I already bought the membership and all that crap, a yearly membership, so that's what I'm going to do. I think I might actually post stuff on StockTwits too, where you could just come to GoToMeeting, have it all private, and, YouTube could go after themselves. I make $1 on these videos. Guys, I could stream for 5 hours. I'll make like $1.82. So it's not even worth it. All right, guys, these options are at 80 cents now. So no one should be losing on these options. If I get an email from any of you guys, I'm cutting you off. I'm kicking you out of the room. And yeah, I'll give you your money back. All right. All right, guys, 84. Come on. Oh, look at the short IWMs, guys. Going off at 74 cents now. 25 cents, 25% in the money, guys. If you took those, cut them if you want the money. Who cares? I'm holding. I'm going to be a little flipping pig. They're going to take these to zero, guys. All right, so Teslas are going off at 80 now, from 56 to 80. So here's your chance again. Yeah, see, they're not going to make it that easy. Everyone's piling in now. Oh, we're already in. Look at that shit. Come on. Jeez. It was a nice letter. Come on. All right. Yeah, Discord. Yeah, a lot of people were telling me about Discord too. So I might check that out as well. Holy crap. Don't tell me. Come on. I mean, there's resistance on here. You got a lot of chopping around up there. You had the even number 196. It pushed through. Gosh. But this is not, again, they got everyone on board, shaking them all out, making them make a decision. Are you going to hold, or what are you going to do? You going to hold on the news? Then they push it up one more time, and then they send it back down. It's like, damn. Tease. I personally like it because it's basically a live chat. Okay. I'll have to look into that. I just can't get too many things going on because I have a live chat on Google with a couple traders that I trade with. I've been trading with them for a while. They're sending me shit. I'm getting shit by emails. I'm getting shit by text. I'm getting shit on Twitter. And it's like, all right, well, who do I got to answer to now? It's like, I don't know. Yeah, 15 people watching. That's why if I posted this on my real thing, we would have had 40, 50. Still terrible. But hey, you know what? I love you guys. I love my members. We've been kicking ass, taking names. What's really weird today, guys? I had 2 guys quit the service. It's like, damn. I don't know how many more trades I could throw out there that are 100% winners. We had a couple losers here and there. Man, last 5 weeks have been flipping phenomenal. Short and puts, going long, and I get canceled membership. It's like, huh? It's like, all right, well, they must have went long and lost all their money then. Not sure. But yeah, that's what just what? I write too much. I love you. Yeah, thanks. But no, that's why I charge $30 a month, guys. We get there. I'll give you some knowledge. I'm trying to do more shit. I'm only one person with 3 kids, a family, a life, all that good stuff. That's why I just keep it low. $30. What, that today, guys, that put trade, you had to have made $30 on that. Even in one option at $146, it doubled. They went to $5, $6. And I get, yeah, your service, man. All I've been doing is losing money. Huh? It's like, really? What have you been doing? You know? Yeah, that's what I had one trader say, I lost all my money, man. I can't trade anymore. And it's like, with what? We just had 2 huge winners. I mean, this was even a couple weeks ago. It's like, oh yeah, when you told everyone to buy puts, I was buying calls. I was like, what? Like, all right, well, laugh aloud. Why quit? Man, yeah, right, Ashton, right? That's what exactly. All you guys who've been members, if you bought one freaking put in that 524 to 146, you should have enough for the pay for the whole damn year. And then you're learning technicals and we're having fun. Yeah, SPY is bouncing, but look at this little bitch, though. Right back down. They're not going to make it easy, guys. Market makers see everyone piles in, especially on these 524s. They start going up, everyone chases it, and then they bring it right back down their face. And these are moving. They were just at 81. Right now, they're at 68, 72. 10 cents. Boom, boom. And you're all in on these trades. That's when it's like, oh, my God. Oh, shit. They're taking it down again. Oh, man. Oh, shit. It's going up. All right. Oh, shit. It's going down. Oh, and then you're sweating. Then you just don't even know what to do anymore. And your mind starts kicking in. And then you turn on CNBC and they're like, we're giving it a price target of 30. And it's like, what? I just bought calls. Shit. Right. And I'm playing with some small money. My job will probably get me away from trading. Yeah, I had some traders too that said, hey, John, I love your service. I got a job. I'm working during the day. I can't do it. But still, Thomas, you still get my trades on Twitter saying, hey, short shares of Twilio, short shares of Tilray, go long SMTP. You could still take trades here and there. And for $30, the education that if you're watching the daily videos, you got to watch the SPY videos, guys. So that is key. I'm giving you guys areas, what I'm looking for, the setups. Here goes Tesla, though, guys. Almost 81 cents again. Holy shit. Here we go. That's when I'll probably can't. Yeah, that you're good. I'm just talking, Thomas. But it's just like, that's what happened to me the first couple. Yeah, you came back, Kay. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's why shit happens. I get that. But man, just I draw out one good short trade or one good long trade. You get it? It's like college, guys. Everyone can go to Starbucks every day and spend $100 a month on coffee, and all you do is get bad breath and fucking indigestion. Excuse my language. But you can't spend $30 a month and try to learn the charts, you know? And what you do. Thanks, Thomas. No, I appreciate it. I don't care. Just stick with it, man. I'll make you money. At least you get the Twitter. Set up your Twitter feed, guys. You could set it with Textus too. I know I do 100 tweets a day, but man, you don't want to miss like these Tesla calls. Almost 90 again, guys. All right, I got to go back to Twitter. Give me a second, guys. All right, I'm just going to put sold. Yeah, I'm going to get ready, guys. If these start getting to $1, I'm going to start chiseling more off. I'll still hold a couple. Yeah, look at this. Yeah. Go, baby. Short those puts. That's why, guys, when I started looking at the IWM, at the Qs, at the DIA, are we into support and everything? Holy shit, we might be. Bam. Look at these go now. All right, guys, if you're in those short puts on the IWM, they are up 30%, almost pushing 35%. If you're in those, take something off the table. If you're in the calls on Tesla from 56, these are popping at 80, 83, 85. Get out. Sell something, please. Crap. I don't want to get that email. Dude, I lost everything. Pickpocketing. Yeah, exactly. Raj knows. 30 minutes, green boner. There it goes. We know it. Oh, push, Jerome, push. We're hitting key levels. It can't crack here. Oh, come on, Tesla. Break 200 today. Come on. We got a half hour. We got this in 5 minutes. We could get a push to 204. Oh, my gosh. If that happens, it's going to be party time. Yeah. David's going to be a pig. Oink, oink. Good man. Love you, David. Yeah, all right, Justin, wait for that 100. We all love that 100%er, and it's going to hit 99%. No one's going to sell, and then it's going to tank it on us. You guys know the routine. They're about to pull the flipping rug on us. And that's it. Gone. Goodbye. Right? All right. Thanks, bud. Yeah. No, I love this shit, guys. I've been trading technicals for a long time. And there's nothing better than hitting a good trade and it goes. And it's just like, heck yeah. It's like, told you so. All right, guys. 87. All right, here we go. Come on. Come on. Let's push 90 again. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, right. Everybody together. Square. I think if we yell at the screen, I think they might hear us. And I'm sure we all been there. You mother effer. Come on. That's when you're all in. And then you're I mean, my wife would come and she'd, what's wrong? What's wrong? Nothing. Why? What's up? You're yelling. What's going on? I'm like, I'm just excited. I'm all in. I don't tell her that. I don't know, guys. We're right back to these areas. Here we go. All right, hold on. Let's see. Let's take a small retrace here. As I'm sitting here blabbing, let's take it from yesterday's highs. Let's see what we got. Yeah, so that's where, look at that, 750, 618. Look at that. Right to the 750, not to the 200, right back down. Right to the 618, right back down. All right, we got to get back these. We got to get above 200. They got to put the squeeze. Look at that. See? Effers, look at this. Everyone's chasing, guys. Everyone, then they get in and they boom. Look at that. So those options were hitting almost 90 cents. They went back to 78 cents. See, they're not going to make it easy. Tomorrow, yeah, no, not 350. Yeah, take some profits, guys. Take some profits at this point. If you haven't taken any profits, take some out. All right, if you're in those short puts, they're starting to come in a little bit nice now. Let this baby run. All right, let's see here. Let's go. Wow, there's some fun here today, guys. All right, the 287s. 287s. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you go. Now we're back in the money on those puts, on the short puts on the SPY as well. After a while, I was like, oh my gosh, I should have held those freaking puts. Looking like a jackass now, like a donkey, like a donkey boy. All right, guys, they're at 78 cents. Man, they're teasing us now because it's up and down, up and down. If you have a big position, it's like, oh, do I get out? Do I stay in? Do I get out? And then sometimes it's just better, guys, pull the trigger, say, that felt good. It's like taking a big dump, guys. It's like, those profits felt good. Well, something like that. They're making big on premium decay. Oh, yeah. And then they'll release some. Oh, yeah, totally. Guys, our 287s going to the basement. Our IWM short puts going to the basement. They're going to be at zero by tomorrow. Holy, come on, Ted. Let everybody cheer. Tesla, Tesla. It was a beautiful letter. It brought a tear to my eye today. All the Tesla bulls are like, told you so. Told you, bears, you stupid bears. It's like, really? We made a shitload of money on that one. Yeah, we weren't in a short Tesla. That sucked. We were, but we took our money and ran. Oh, my gosh. Elon Musk, 420. Elon, 420. It's got to be killing him not to tweet. He'd be tweeting right now. You better not short my stock. My semi's coming out next week. And I'm building a bigger battery plant in my backyard. We're going to start making cars in my backyard. Damn it. One at a time. Production numbers are up. Puff, puff, exactly. Oh, man. It's like, all right. Yeah, I think 420 is a good number. Sure. Oh, yeah. 420 is nice. Let's see. And then it's at 190. It's like, well, if we turn this chart upside down, I think we can get that 420 again. Right? No, who knows? Someone's taking his ass out right here, making him think about his little bullshit decisions. Right? This is some good shit to the moon. Yeah, right. Next thing you know, it's like, I'm telling you, they got to get above 200. They get above 200, that's going to settle in some bulls and make them buy a little bit more. And that could possibly put the squeeze on for tomorrow. If we gap up above 2, I would love to gap up above the 200 MA and this gap filled tomorrow. So watch the 205, 206 area too. today when I turned it on, I saw it was green. It was like, oh my God, who tweeted, you know, who's doing what here? But look at this. Market's ripping up, and now Tesla not doing much. Interesting. Market's down, Tesla ripping. Market's up, Tesla trying to screw the bulls again. All right, guys. Even the June 621s are at break even. So if you don't, again, if you don't want to, lose money, then just take them. Still at 72 though, guys. So still doing all right. One more. Look at that. They just, gosh, if that last candle was an up move, oh my gosh, they would have been at a buck, guys. Well, we'll see. They're holding pretty good right now, so we'll see. Even with this pulling back, so we got some people interested in this one. Markets are still trying. IWM's still trying a little bit better than the other indexes, getting a little bit better bounce, but the bounce is stalling out a little bit, guys. Let's see what we can get here. Oh, they want to squeeze this so bad. They just buy the dips for so many years worked. But people got most bulls are out of money on Tesla. They are. If anything, they were getting margin calls yesterday, and even today on this little dip here, they were like, "Oh my God, no way, not again!" Oh my, and they're all dumping. They're all like, "Get me out, get me out! I can't take this." And then they reverse a guy straight up. Or actually, it was up in the beginning. We barely gapped up. They flushed it on it, and that last flush, guys, you're all in. A couple thousand shares. Some of these people, they're just like throwing up. And they're just dumping at that point. Holy shit, get me out of this thing. And then they're just like, that's it, I'm done. And then you see this. The first instinct guy to every retail trader, you're selling at 187, you're buying back in at 197. So now you lost another 10 bucks on the position because you chased it up. And as soon as you're chasing it, I've been there, guys. We've all been there, okay? So that none of you guys don't lie. And then you're selling down here because you're big position, you're puking. Because I mean, you've been puking for the last 3 weeks, and then that little FU push down and on the beautiful ladder, you're like, he wrote a letter. This doesn't make any. Oh my God! And just get me out. Done. And here it's like, shit, I'm missing it, and then FU. That's it. And then they bring it back down, and you're like, oh my gosh, oh my. And then that's when, guys, you just gotta leave. Just leave. Don't do anything. That's when they just shake and bake you. Like this. Then you're buying back here and you're like, oh shit, oh shit. And you're like, oh, I'm dumping. And then you start, and then it goes up, you're buying more. And they dump it again. You're like, oh shit. But you're not following charts, you're not following anything, just your gut instinct. And you're all in position. That's you can't even sleep at night at this point. And then they flush it on you, and you're like, oh my God. Then you're out at the very low. And then you see this. It's like, oh my God, I'm missing it. and then they shake you, and then they freaking flush it tomorrow. Because honestly, guys, this little beautiful ladder could be the one-day bounce, and that's it. And looking at both sides of the trade. So either way, my IWM options are up almost 50%. my short puts. So, hey, good enough. Keep going, IWM. At 50%, I think I'm just going to cut it and say, thank you very much, and we'll see you next time. And all we need is this little bitch to go. God, you had to pull back. All right, we still got a couple minutes left of this candle. What you want to see, though, on the 10-minute candle, you want to see a close above this. You don't see how we closed, and we got above that one. We started getting a little bit momentum, a little bit of volume started coming in, and then they stalled it. But we're back into this resistance, too. Oh, man. Unbelievable, though. Yeah, we might get that push up tomorrow, guys. If we do, those options, the short puts are going to just be history. Damn it, though. Look at this. They're not making it easy. Damn, they almost went to 90. So, again, let's see. Are we going to do the end of the day? No, not on the. If we were up, yes. We are in a confirming downtrend. We could dump, but now, since they pushed it up the SPY the last couple minutes, nah. They could put, because right now, David, or is this Damian? Right now, you could get a lot of short covering.
because you get a day like today, you're 400 down and you were short the markets, kind of like us right in the beginning. We just pulled off those puts and said, see you later, or started to. So that's what we did, you know. So right now you get a big down move, and, you know, it puts, you're buying puts, you're shorting these markets. They give you that little bit of window to take that profit. And now that we're into support on the overall markets, yeah, you know, there could be just a manufacturer short squeeze into the close. I mean, for all I know, we go straight back down, guys. We are in a confirming downtrend, but yeah, not for me. I mean, we could go right back to the lows and close, guys. You know, honestly. So watch for that. You know, and then, again, they're not going to make this easy. People are trying to short puts. You know, it's just the part where we go straight back down and they screw us off. You know, so it's, you know, it's one of those things. Guys, those short puts, they were up almost 40%. So, you know, don't be messing around with those. Damn it. You know what? Hold on a second here. All right, Tesla's trying. All right, guys. Yeah, those were hitting 62. That was the low of the day on those. Where are we here? Hold on. Right there. That's where we are. Yeah, here we go. Right back down. And watch, this will go back down. Tesla will start going up. Damn it. Nah, look at that. Yeah, see, they're not making anything easy. But look what we're doing, though, now, guys. Daily chart. Here's that big trend line. That's why we took these off today. That's why we just chiseling off the puts, guys. Look at that. That's a major trend line, guys. That breaks. I mean, we got some pretty good support down here, but my gosh, this is going to get ugly. So we came down, retraced right back down to the lows, and then boom. But we got to see, we still have 72 million on the SPY, guys. Nothing. Damn. Yeah, they might squeeze this thing into the close. So that's why I'm not doing anything cute right now, guys. We make good money. I am short puts, but that's kind of the trade that I love to do. A lot of big orders we're going through on these put plays. So that tells me a lot of these big players are stepping up and shorting these puts that are expiring tomorrow. I mean, I could be completely off on this, but we are into some key support in the SPY. We're in some key support. Right. I mean, this is we're right there, guys. They got to get this thing going. Holy crap. Look at that. We're key support there. IWM, key support there. And the DIA, key support there, guys. So as a technical guy, I got to step up. That's it. I mean, we could be, if we gap down tomorrow, we have to exit all these, all the short puts, period. And if we keep moving up like this, I will be out of most of my short IWM puts. The SPY I'll hold a little bit. SPYs are still looking pretty good. They're back to a little bit under break even. But man, it's not making it easy on us, guys. Not making it easy. Holy cow. This is some crazy action. Tesla's trying, though. Come on, Tesla. 200, baby. Get above 200. That will help us out tremendously. Markets come right back in, though. Look at that. So I wonder if did some news come out on the SPY? Did Trump tweet or something? Is that why we got that little bounce? Shit, look at that, though. Every bounce, guys, led to more selling. God, they got to come in. They got to do something here. Even Tesla's coming in again. Damn. This is a brutal market today, guys, even with light volume. God, if we had 173 million, we'd still be selling. Yeah, so somebody did something here. Gosh, it's like we had enough of this. But no, that's probably some big players covering the shorts. I mean, guys, we're down 1.44%. You have a million shares of this, the spider, and you made 4 million today short. Start covering. Still in a light volume market. That's the other reason why we did these puts, short puts. And gosh, I'm surprised we're not grinding higher. I mean, maybe this is a little get everyone in, get everyone out. Hey, that trade would have worked though. the end of day trade. Oh, is he speaking now? No. Yeah. Yeah, D, look at that. Coming back, same shit. Look at that. Right up and then flushing into the close. God, no mercy, guys. No mercy. Shit, some more too. God, we might dump into the close. They come up. The someone maybe took this for a quick scalp. Look at that. Nice bounce though, over $1 something. Then take your profits. Boom, get out. Look at this. This is evil though. Look at that. So they bring it back up, take it all the way down, bring it back up. Or are they going to take it all the way down again? We're going to find out shortly. What's going on here? Tesla still kind of pulling up a 250, trying. Options are back at 60. They were at 90 something again, guys. Wow. They're going to have to gap this thing up, Tesla, and get this thing going tomorrow if they want higher prices. Someone has to have a bet out there that's decent. All right. Above that trend line again, guys. Damn, they're trying. Is he talking? Jeez. That's why, too, I like doing these live sessions. People can come in. Hey, Trump's talking. Hey, this guy's talking. Hey, that guy's talking. It's like, all right, cool. Now we know. Yeah, I wonder if Trump's chart right here in the last 40 minutes. I wouldn't doubt it. Let's see. Wall Street becoming convinced the trade war is here to stay. That's the headline. Let's see what other headlines are popping through. Trump talks about America farmers. All right. Mortgage rates fall sharply on China trade tension. Dow drops 300. Oracle's Larry Ellison got crushed on Tesla. Oh, man. Elon Musk's beautiful letter. Yeah, I don't know about that, but we'll know more shortly with that trade, guys. Love this action, right? Somewhat. Somewhat. All right, guys. It's not really doing too much here. Chopping around, big area. I mean, we know, 281, 282 was a pretty big area. Yeah, what was there? Yeah, now we're a little bit lower, so that's what they're trying to do. Yeah, so 281.37, that was the low pivot back in here. They're trying to hold that. They're not too successful. Damn, look at that though, guys. Pop right to the drop. Yeah, so that must have been news, maybe Trump or something. As soon as that subsided, more sellers came in. Can't even, it's just like, wow. But they're going to have to close it above maybe 282, 28, they're going to have to get a squeeze going on here. I would think at least. But who am I? I'm a trader just like you guys. All right, those options are at 59 cents now, guys. So, if you don't want to hold, take the little bit. Yeah, everyone should be out of something, though, of those. Holding a small portion. Wow. Yeah, the lotto plays would have played out once again. Shit. And our freaking puts are blowing up in our face again. Oh, man. Tough trade. I mean, Mark, they're trying to hold on to this bottom, guys. It's not going to be that easy. The only thing I like for the longs, I like the light volume. That could give us a little bit of a saving grace, but man, confirming downtrend big time right now. Transports are down 175. The comps 135. Russell's 33. SPX almost 40 down. Oh, here they come. Uh-oh. It was a beautiful letter. It was. Elon's was even better. Pump it. Now, you know what? See, probably shorts covering. They got their day. I mean, if you would have shorted on this pop, 5 days, you're back to the low. So now are we going to stay in this channel? Now are we going to go back to the highs, back to the lows? We couldn't recapture the 50 MA. When we couldn't get back above the 50, it was like, Then USO was falling. It was like, a double hum. And then look at that. Bam. We got paid today, guys. Out of the puts, short and puts. We'll see what happens. Go, baby, go. All right. See, you're in the room. Everyone's cheering Tesla now. We got to cheer. They got to hear us. They got to hear it. Come on, Tesla. Come on, baby. All right, at least get it above that trend line. We got 10 minutes. Come on, pump it. Come on, Jerome. We got to stay above the trend line.
Look at that. They're going to close it right on top, these little MFers. Like always, never make it easy. Damn. Yeah, if it was easy, everyone would be doing it, guys. All right, Tesla's pumping again. All right, this is going to be it. Last 10 minutes. I'll be back, guys. Hold on. Give me a second. Sorry about that, guys. Nature does call once in a while. It's like, oh man, there's only 10 minutes. I think I can hold it. So I know too much personal information. I know. All right, guys. So 62, these options are going off at, yeah, just chopping into the close. Maybe we get the push. You know, sometimes they do the, you know, to get it over a certain area. So maybe 282. I mean, even better would be 283. I don't know if it's going to pop that high, but yeah, I guess you never know in these markets, guys. All they need is a little bit of trying to trade, just a little bit of hope. We'll get that rally tomorrow. A little bit of hope and change. All right, let's see how this thing holds right here. This is not key, but that's your big trend line. Holding it though, man, that's the area. But if we gap down tomorrow below that, 280 will be the number. And man, if that goes, then look out below, guys. Even Tesla won't even be safe. Not even Tesla, right? Dun 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 dun. But I think Tesla, you know, we get a little bit of a green market tomorrow. I think Tesla can make a move. Because you know, everyone's reading the letter, everyone's doing the research, everyone's looking at it, and you'll get one guy probably upgrade it just to get, you know, or they got to bring out the big Tesla bull, whoever that might. Maybe they even bring out Elon. Who knows? All right, guys, they're starting to push again. Come on, give us a push into the close. Come on, get it up in this area, so we can get that little bit of a green day and get Tesla going tomorrow. Because Tesla could go tomorrow again, guys. And look at that. They're fighting right there. They know. That's a big, and they're going to close it right on top, guys. Jeez. You're not going to make it easy for any of us. But we did get the bounce off the gap fill, the 618 down in here. So we are holding that area. So that's okay if you're on the bullish side. But now, though, for down, we start chopping in this range, then it's going to get interesting. But I think they'll have to bring it up one. They can't make it that easy, guys. All right. So let's see, 12:53, a couple more minutes left. And pop goes the weasel. Damn, they can't even help themselves. All right, let's see if they could pop it above that 2. Let's see. Look at this first. Yeah, a lot of work to get it back up, guys. So that, you know, it'd be for these guys if they, excuse me, close it above 282.57. That would be good for the bulls. Not that it would be great, but it's a little, you know, keep it above the MAs. You know, don't want to deal with this shit tomorrow. Any resistance. We want to get this thing going tomorrow, and throw some China trade, and then make everybody feel good. It's the feel-good markets, right? You know, you got to think we're going into the weekend, guys. The big Memorial Day weekend. Cars are on sale. Let's go buy a new house. We got boats. We got this. His and her Escalades. Just keep spending money, guys. That's pretty much what this is going to be. Yeah, this is short covering right here. You know that. I mean, if you're short, you better take something off the table. Because you know what usually you get after this, guys? 7 days straight up, and then you just sit there and go, what? This doesn't make any sense, right? We'll see. Now I want to gap up tomorrow. I want this thing to gap up like a mofo, and we could get this thing rolling tomorrow. Get these Tesla calls blowing up and get the short puts blowing down. So, yeah, right. Oh yeah, and then volume will be like 20 million tomorrow, and we'll just float. They're trying. Look at this. We still got 5 minutes. So if they could get it above this 280-250-ish area, that wouldn't be bad. Damn, they just got no mercy. Everyone's buying puts again. Oh shit, it's dropping. Oh no. For us though, if we would have taken that play, boom, we would have been done. Out the door. Or at least sold most, maybe hold one until tomorrow. You guys are learning. The members are learning. Small positions, get in, get out. Here they go. Come on, 5 minutes. Oh my gosh, they might do it. They almost have to get it above these pivots here. But they have to hold this trend line here. Wow, look at this. Here comes Jerome. I think he's got a beautiful letter for Trump. Oh, look at that, though. I mean, Tesla. Come on, Tesla. You know you want it. You know you want 200. Wouldn't that be crazy? Last 5 minutes, they squeeze it past 200. All right, hold on. A beautiful letter, see? All right, let's see what they're doing here. All right, so we're holding the 6-1 or the 5-0 retrace from this high to that low. That's a Fibonacci level. Look at that. Perfect, guys. 618 or 750 comes back to the 618, 618, 618, and then floats. Then we kind of made the low a little bit higher low. So kind of a little bit of a bullish base here, and then really up sideways. So it's more in a bearish territory, but it's in a slight bullish pattern right now. And again, guys, we'll see what happens in the morning. Charts. Let's see. So 54. See if we get that one last push. Come on, Elon. God, I wish he could tweet. It's a beautiful letter. Now we bring out Buffett with Becky. We can all hold hands and write beautiful letters. Oh my gosh. And look at Amazon. All the bulls were like, yeah, F you bears. And now today the bears are like, bah, you're still holding. No, I even didn't look at Amazon today. Where were we? Were we that? God, yeah, look at that. Nice retrace. The typical asshole retrace, guys. So I keep trying to teach you. They bring it up, and right back in. But that short term, you got to look at short term on this. Look at that. So they bring it up, they bring it down. All the bulls are like, oh my God, not again. They bring it up. Everyone's like, ha ha, told you so. And then bam, right to the lows. And look at this, guys. We're actually, we might be cracked. Oh man, if we crack that low, I'm telling you, going right back down. I don't know. I'm not going to give any price targets yet, but they're going to have to rally this market tomorrow. They're going to have to. Bottom line, guys, everything's in danger zone right now. Clean up in aisle 7. Uncle Jerome, where are you? Yeah, that's ugly. Wow. I'll pump out a video today. I'm going to have to watch the SPY video tonight, guys. Lots to go over. I'm going to talk about the USO too on there. All you members, you know what's going on here. Yeah, you know they're going to do the rug pull. They're going to get all the bulls. This is where they take all the bulls' money. Yeah. They push it. They get everybody conditioned like a little sheep. You buy the dip, it goes up. You buy the dip, it goes up. And holy shit, it doesn't. What the hell? Why isn't it going up? I bought the dip for years. And the problem is, guys, to buy the dippers, they don't go small. They go big. They've been buying that dip for years. Every time I just bought the dip, I'm going bigger. It's got to go up. It has to. It's Tesla. Buy the dip. And then it goes up and then they start loading up again. Then they rug pull. Now it's like, oh my gosh, this you'll get the bounce. But I if the markets continue to sell, it's going to go up, hit an area, come right back in, guys. We want it to bounce. Come on, baby. Reality show, I might start doing live streams at the market close on StockTwits every day. from like 1 to 2, maybe a half hour. So I'd like to build up a big following, guys. I think I could do a show, Derek. Better than Kramer. At least I can fucking make you guys money. Excuse my language, but geez. everyone yesterday was like, oh my God, sell Tesla. And we're in at Tesla trying to make money. And we made money. All right, guys. Those hold on here. Shit, what time is it? Well, we could still get out of them. All right. Oh, that hurt my ears. All right, guys. I'm out of. Oh, let me. I covered some of the. Hold on a second. I'm just trying to see. Where's Tesla? All right, 60. All right, they 64, so not terrible. But all right, guys, I'm in them. All right, let's see the SPY. SPY's down a little bit. Tesla. Ooh, Tesla's up 51. Come on, Tesla. This thing's got to open up above 200 tomorrow. Even 205 would be nice. I mean, I think that's a little much to ask, but you never know. So, guys, we took some of the puts off, the short puts on the IWM right at the bell, 60 cents. So we got almost 50% on those. I'm holding a couple until tomorrow. I'm still holding the SPY puts as well, the short ones. Short puts. Damn. That's the only thing with the live stream, guys. I slack on the Twitter feed. And I know I got a lot of people, waiting. Damn, that last. Well, you could still get out of that one at the end. I got to look, see if anyone's been talking shit. I think most of you guys in here. Good call. Yeah, Blake, you got that one. Blake, you in here? Awesome. That was a great 40% scalp. Boom. Look at that. And I'm going to hold some. I think we're going up tomorrow, and those things are going to go to zero. Let's see here. I think there might be 200 MA daily bounce going into the long weekend. How do you see things holding up, Armando? Yeah. Hold on here, guys. I would say they're going to hold up. That's why they got to get everybody excited. And I'll if Armando, are you in the room right now? I don't know if you're in there. Thanks for suggesting Shop to me yesterday, John. Yeah, Shop's a good one. Shop could go up a little higher, but these are ones we're gonna hang out and do our thing. Hey, I got a new member. Are you in here, new member? Go follow me at Twitter. I'll get you in the room. Yeah, I got a new member today. Nice. Love you guys. Again, I don't need the money. I just I keep the trolls out. Guys, I love this shit. I live and breathe it, and I'm not right all the time, but I try to be. It's my hard-earned money too, guys. I'm not going on and just say, hey, let's just buy this one. This is going to be flipping great. And then it's tanking. And I'm like, hey, don't worry. Just hold it. But sometimes they're good. Sometimes they're bad. Lately, we've been kicking ass, taking names. Our couple longs that we're in, they're getting hammered right now. But hey, they're low flyers. And we'll give it a shot. Roku, that one's just unbelievable, guys. They're squeezing the shit out of that one, so be careful with that one if you're long. If you're long, ROKU, just please start taking something off the table. Ooh, big spiker just went through, guys. Did you see that one? What the hell was that? Where'd that one go to? Did you see that one? I can't go back far. It went 3. Yeah, spiked back to even on the day. So who knows? If you're in those IWM short puts, they are at 60 cents right now after hours. You can sell after hours, or at least most people can. They're going off at 58 by 61. So if you're in it, it's over 40% gains, guys, since we got in this trade at the bottom of the day. Take some. Don't be a douche. So when we're hitting these lows, guys, we shorted puts. And, they're working out. It doesn't mean they're going to work out tomorrow. But I'm out. I'm still in a couple of them. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Or I guess if we shoot up right now, then I'll maybe, if these things go down to 40 cents, I'll pull the rest off. We got about 9 minutes left, 10 minutes left. SPY, we're down a little bit. God, we gap down tomorrow, we're going to be in trouble, guys. Tesla calls too. Tesla 40. It's bouncing around. We'll see.
That's going to be it for today, though, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Was that a dark pull? Yeah. 285. Yeah, that was right there. That was a dark pull. But bouncing around. So we'll see. 11 cents up. Good showing for Tesla. That's a good start. We still have the Junes. They're right at 147, guys. Break even. So if you're in those, if you can't take pain, actually they got the 190 today. You should have just got the hell out. Other than that, that's it, guys. Thanks for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. Hopefully my other live session will work on my real YouTube page. But for now, this will work. We'll do some GoToMeeting next week as well. And tomorrow, too. Maybe do something in the mornings. We'll have to see how these markets and what they give us. All right, guys. Thanks again for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. God bless. See you on the charts.